the roaring lions. But the last one will surprise you as the coughing lion. If you love big cats, drop a heart in the comments below. The jungle echoed with mighty roars, each lion showing its strength and dominance. But when the last lion stepped forward, everyone held their breath, expecting an earth-shaking roar. Instead, he let out a little cough, surprising the entire pride. The other lions tilted their heads in confusion, then burst into playful growls, as if laughing. Even kings of the jungle have their off days, and sometimes that makes them even more lovable. This big guy sounds like snoring.